Yeah, this machine here in front of me is the CPAP machine. You see, this is the power on, and this is already set for the management of snoring and sleep apnea. So this one is the mask which you will put on the nose para makahinga yung tao na nag-i-snore or nagkakaroon ng sleep apnea. Okay, this is I think this is very uncomfortable para sa natutulog. See, can you manage that? Can you manage to sleep with this mask on sa inyong nose, di ba? Mahirap kaya. Okay. And this is the water container niyan. This is the water tank. They call it water tank. So, ang water niyan is hanggang dito, which dapat hindi siya magsobra doon. This is to humidify also the air that you are inhaling. Okay. Nice lecture.